Fish curry. We need to saute in one frying pan. Put some good quantity of mustard oil. Put in ginger garlic paste. Add some crushed onions and make a thick paste. You need to add some tomato puree to it. It is easy to make tomato puree by grinding some tomatoes. You need to keep moving the curry or the masala formed in the pan. Then add all the spices like red chili, cumin powder, turmeric, salt and other masalas that you would like to add. It is very essential to keep moving and mixing everything in the pan. Make sure the excess water evaporates and the masala forms thick. Add some green chilies per your taste. After mixing everything, you need to add some curd. After adding the curd and adding more masalas per your taste, please be careful with adding masalas only as per your taste. You can finally add the raw cut pieces properly washed of the fish. This fish was washed 3 times before putting it in. Now you need to mix the fish with the masala so that the rich flavor is part of the fish itself. Finally, it's time to add lots of water to it so that the curry forms and mixes well with the masala. You need to put it on high flame and cook well for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to keep checking. Once the fish is edible, the curry is cooked, and do not forget to enjoy along with some dhaniyas for garnishing. I hope you liked it.